That's it, I guess. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, we're gonna do a couple rounds. Okay, we'll see. Let's try to small. Let's try to small. I
new grand prizes. Check it out at the Skate Arena booth at the West.
अब उधर ऊपर क्या होना है उधर?
We have an incredible lineup of workshops inside the library where our team will help you navigate. We're going to start off with some incredible poetry and with that too, jumping into a cake workshop with Paula Husband. Sign up for Oudology 101, where you get to make your own custom oud scent. Whether you like something a little bit more floral or a little bit more musky, you get to design your custom scent and also take it home with you. Meet at MuslimFest is Newer Studio, an all-women programming space. Join us this Saturday for a women's self-defense class with Muslim and Nisa Foundation, the Wellness Hour, as well as the Dina Zoom and all-women K workshop. Head over to the library where our volunteers are going to get you acquainted with all of the incredible programming happening in here. And in the Well-Ryan Auditorium, we're having an animated short film festival. Co-hosted with Anna Muslim, check out an hour of impactful media and imagining Muslim narratives put together by creators from all around the world. We're so excited to feature Legends of Islam, the Sahabiyat and Nyla Media at MuslimFest, a 20-episode series where each episode focuses on a different Sahabiyat. Come check out this fully dramatic podcast launch in the Well-Ryan Auditorium here at MuslimFest. Come check out poets of all ages, sharing poetry with all of the beauty and sophistication, with a special appearance of the Muslim. Saturday's great programming is going to feature tops from Dr. Nazir Khan, Sheikh Ala, Sheikh Hosam Halal, and Imam Khalid Latif. We're also going to have the family quiz. The family quiz is also going to be taking over the Great Hall with some incredible trivia and Islamic knowledge or kids in Iraq. Don't forget to check out our Saliki Beverage Pavilion, where you get to experience the language, culture, clothing, food, music, and more. We'll also be doing a lot of head on over to the Amphitheater. The People's Voice Open Mic Jam Session is where you're going to see 4 great Muslim talents perform different genres of music. And the best part is you get to join them. There will be an open mic session later where you get to
Oh my goodness, look at it!
Nisa Yunus, Matu, and Amal Albaz, right here on the main stage at 6 p.m., where you're going to hear poetry, hip-hop, last but not least, the moment that you've probably been waiting for, our headlining primetime concert, where we're going to start off with the incredible talent, Brother Ali. You've heard it right, Brother Ali is here at MuslimFest. Brother Ali is going to start us off, and then we'll be joined by Saif Adam and our headlining act, Muhammad Tariq. This is going to be a primetime concert that you will not want to miss right here after Maghrib.
But these are our most sellers.
How much is the big one?
18. It's basically, and that's not different flavors.
Mango cream, melta, and papaya.
Okay, is there a line or can I buy here?
One that, of course, this one's
The
big one.
Is it card?
Can I pick card?
Card, of course. So you just want to take a big one.
Buy one mango. Okay, I'll give you.
Thank you.
एक समोसा चाट करना
But I've seen it everywhere. Wait. Oh, no, no,
Primetime concert that you will not want to miss right here after Maghrib.
Unfiltered. Yeah.